Hello students, welcome to our physics lab where we are going to do an experiment of a simple electric circuit using different elements of electric circuits. So welcome into our class. You are with your teacher Faustin. Welcome once again. So now this is an experiment we are going to perform where we are going to use different elements so that we construct a simple electric circuit looking like this as you are seeing in front of you. So you are welcome once again. Let us see some of these elements which are going to be used. Now, elements for this simple circuit which are going to be used are the following. Number one, we have to use dry cells. Dry cells, these are the cells, or these are the source of electricity which provide the energy to be used in this simple circuit. Number two, it is electric wires. Electric wires, of course, these are the connectors. They connect the source of electricity and the appliance to consume electricity which is being produced. Number three, it is a switch. You know, the switch is to complete our circuit, either opening or closing the circuit. So that is the use of this switch in this simple circuit. Number four, we have to use electric bulbs. Electric bulbs, these are the appliance which convert electric current into light. So we have to use also resistor to diminish or to consume too much current which is flowing through the circuit. And we have to use the fuse. The fuse, importance of this element, it is just to cut off the current when it becomes too much. A meter, you know the importance of a meter. It is just to show the amount of current which is flowing through the circuit. So we have to use a meter to know that amount. We shall also use voltmeter. Voltmeter in this experiment, it is just to show us the potential difference of the voltage across our source, which are dry cells in this experiment. So this is what we are going to perform. You know, these are the flow of electrons, but you know that electrons and the conventional current, they follow in different directions. So as you see, the current flows from the positive terminal of the cell towards the negative terminal. So let us try to construct this simple circuit. Okay? Yes, thank you very much. So let's start our experiment. You know, we can't construct our simple circuit without a dry cell. So that is the source of electricity. So let us take a dry cell like this. Okay, then after, you take the wire, electric wire, connecting this cell with the external components. Okay, after taking the wire, so if you want, you can even take a resistor connecting to this wire. After this resistor, you can take a switch. You know the switch is just to complete our circuit. Okay, then now followed by the wire. Okay, now you have to use enough amount of wire to construct your complete circuit wire. So now if you want, you can connect a meter to measure the electric current passing through the circuit. Okay, you know a meter is connected in a series with the wires or with the component you are measuring. Now, okay, after connecting the ammeter, you can also now bring your, so you see that your meter, it is measuring zero amount of current, means that there is no current starting flowing. So let us now connect the bulb, the light bulb. Okay, let us connect the light bulb to convert our electricity into the light. Now, after now connecting enough wires and enough components, you can join the source. Okay, completing your circuit. After this, now you can check whether your circuit is complete. Now switch off the switch to see whether the light will be provided. Now have you seen? So our circuit is complete. It is giving out light. Okay, but now if you see it is too the light is not enough. If you want, you know that if you want to increase the amount of current passing, so you can increase the voltage of the source. So let us try. You see, we are using 9 volts. If we change the voltage, also you see that the current, it is increasing. So wonderful. This is the way of constructing simple experiment. So as changing voltage as current increases, so I think is obtained. Now, if you want, you can measure the potential difference of the source you are using. Let us see. Okay. Now, you know that voltmeter can be connected into parallel with the component we are measuring. So you see that we are using 5 volt. 5 volt are providing 0.21 ammeter. Okay, so now that is a well constructed simple electric circuit. And now the conversion current, it is flowing from positive terminal towards the negative terminal. If we need to see the direction of current, you know that they oppose the direction of electrons. Let us check the direction of electrons for our simple circuit. Good. You see that they have been reverted. The direction of electrons. You see, they are going anti-clockwise, while the conversion current, it is moving clockwise direction. So this is how we construct a simple circuit. Okay, now we have seen different elements of a simple circuit. We have seen how we can use them to construct a simple circuit. You know that if you switch off, the light will cut off, but if you switch on, the electricity will flow and the light will come out. So this is the end of our experiment. So thank you for watching. Make sure that you subscribe for this channel. See you in the next video. Thank you very much.